What is up? And I cannot stress this enough. My gamers, welcome back to another Jammer Science video. Today, we're doing something really exciting. I've got a box, and y'all won't believe what's inside. If this box is what I think it is. Oh. Never mind. What is up? And I cannot stress this enough. My gamers, welcome back to another Jammer Science video. Today, we're doing something really exciting. I got a Henson razor. Story about Henson. I as well as y'all probably start getting bombarded with their ads. They've got a seemingly large marketing budget, and basically their claim is that this razor gives you like a better shave. There's no plastic, no waste involved. It uses safety razors or double-edged razor blades. It's better than other safety razors because it's more precisely machined. It's better than cartridge razors because it's made out of metal. All these insane things. And so my stupid butt with 112 subscribers, thank y'all by the way, emailed them. And I was like, hey, can I have a razor for review? And they were like, sure, what's your address? That's really cool. So now it just arrived. There's like some weird shipping stuff, but I contacted them. They're like, oh yeah, they lost it in transit. We'll send you another one or something. Basically, I've got it now. And so they sent me a razor and 100 blades. And so this video is just gonna be an unboxing. I'm gonna make a proper review, but they actually sent me an email right before it came, all the different types of things you gotta worry about. It is extremely nice. But basically, the point of all of that ranting was that there's no paperwork. I sent them an email, hey, can I have a razor? Sure, where do we send it? There's zero obligation, and I got the aircraft aluminum one just because it felt like, I don't know, the most like pure and like this is the color of aluminum, because this is an aluminum razor they make. Actually, no, they do not make a titanium one. Never mind. No, wait, do they? I don't know. I'll have to check that. I'll put it on the screen if they do. No plastic in the box. Love to see that. I was thinking about whether to have that. Some instructions. I already read their email. So wet your skin, store in a dry place. Information and videos. Very cool. They didn't send me the stand, which whatever. This is just black aluminum. Okay, and then this is the blade pack. But before we deal with this, I'm gonna bust into our tiny little blade pack. It's nice they give you 5 to start out with. I hate it when companies give you stuff and they don't give you enough stuff to even use the product. No plastic in this packaging. And Henson's basically saying what they're saying and why I contacted them, because I love their message. Basically, the shaving industry is all so proprietary and dumb that you end up with these giant companies who basically sell you a cheap handle just to lock you into their proprietary shaving heads. And what Henson says is you can buy like safety razor blades from anyone, specifically engineered for the Henson AL13. So that is what the blade looks like. So we take this. These are the, okay. Like a big part of their advertising is how nice their machining is. These are some of the cleanest threads I've ever felt. They're so nice. Okay, now we just take this. Extremely thin. These blades are a little thinner than I thought they'd be. Not that that's necessarily a bad thing. Right there. One of their demonstrations is they show how little wiggle there is in there compared to other safety razors. Take this, put it on here. And they say that you gotta tighten it down until you see that blade bend. So basically tighten it down until it stops. Right there. And there you have it. And you can see how little of that blade is actually showing. And my arm hair might be a little long for this. And I will do more testing later. This is by no means a review, it's just unboxing and impressions. But I do have a little bit of water here. They say you just have to wet your skin. I'll go get some shave butter, like stuff I use for my face normally. And they say it takes very little pressure, so let's see. You see how hairy my arm is. Try this way actually. It did cut a significant amount of hair. I think my arm's just too hairy for it. It is insanely smooth. I cannot tell that it's cutting hair, even though, I mean, it is. There's a small pile of hair on this desk. All my hair is shorter. Get some more water. It is very, very smooth. I mean, there's still hair there. It's crazy because it's cutting a lot of hair and I can't even tell like a blade is touching my skin. I'm still gonna take some more time to test it and actually use it daily for a couple of weeks because I want to make sure that it holds up. So far, everything they've said is true. And I'm not sponsored. I have zero obligation. I don't got a code. I don't got nothing. But it is an extremely nice razor. But yeah, when they say that's like, it's crazy because like, you can't even feel it, like the blade on your skin. Usually like you got that kind of scraping feeling with other razors, but with this it's extremely smooth. And I think it is because of how precise that machining is. But Henson, so far I'm a believer. Actually, I'll show you guys what the inside of this packaging looks like because I myself am curious. Apparently this is like 3 years of blades or something. Oh wait, hold up. There's like a fancy dispenser part. Oh, and they come in packs of 5, interesting. So like, when you not want another one, you just like pull it out like that. Cool. I want to make a point to say that this is just unboxing and first impressions. So I'm not gonna stand behind anything I said in this video, basically because I haven't taken the time to really use the razor over. I'm gonna use it over a couple of weeks, probably maybe at least a week, probably a week or two. Really see if what they're saying holds up over time, over a blade change or two. But so far, what they're saying is true, as far as I can tell. It cleaned a lot easier than a cartridge razor. It was smoother than a cartridge razor. It's extremely premium, and I think that a lot of stuff that you use every single day is overlooked, in that, like, it's just a razor. Like, why would you need why would you pay luxury prices for a razor? But you use it every day, so like, don't you want to have that premium? Like, wouldn't you get a lot of miles out of your money if you're getting that premium experience every single morning? But yeah, I'm extremely excited to shave with it more. When I come back with my next video, get subscribed for that, by the way. I'm gonna have my arm better prepared, because unfortunately I'm not gonna show my face, sorry. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, subscribe it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.